Being in the food and beverage industry is really fun. I love what I do. However, I lived a pretty unhealthy lifestyle with the irregular sleeping and eating patterns. Despite everything that happened last 2020, the silver lining is that I was forced to slow down and focus on things that mattered, beginning with myself as well as people most dear to me. I'm not a trained cook, but I do enjoy the process from start to finish, from prep work to cooking to plating. I recently had a blood test in which I found out that I had borderline high cholesterol and high SGPT-alt, the indicator for liver enzymes. To be honest, I wasn't surprised as I really abused my body throughout the years. I'm in my early 30s, and so it's definitely a wake-up call in that I need to take better care of myself by eating healthy, sleeping better, and by working out, a change of lifestyle. I'm still learning how to lead a healthy lifestyle, and so for me, mindfulness is a process.